Hello, and welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology and unmatched performance. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Let's dive in. Number 5, DJI Neo represents a significant leap forward in the realm of aerial photography and videography, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. This innovative drone is designed to enhance the flying experience, boasting a sleek aerodynamic design that not only looks good, but also improves flight performance. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo is its advanced camera system, which captures stunning 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and delivers high-resolution still images with exceptional clarity and detail. The camera's enhanced stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even in challenging conditions, making it perfect for capturing dynamic action shots or serene landscapes. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Neo is equipped with intelligent flight modes that allow users to unleash their creativity. Features such as Active Track, Quick Shots, and Waypoints enable the drone to autonomously follow subjects, execute complex shots with ease, or navigate predefined routes, all while ensuring a hassle-free flying experience. Battery life is another area where the DJI Neo shines. With an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, users can spend more time capturing their adventures and less time worrying about recharging. The drone also incorporates obstacle avoidance sensors, providing an added layer of safety while flying, allowing for more confident maneuvers in various environments. Connectivity options are robust, with real-time HD video transmission that gives users a live view from the drone's camera, facilitating better composition and control. Number 4. Holy Stone HS900, a standout drone that caters to both novice and experienced pilots alike, delivering a remarkable flying experience. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, this drone makes it easy for anyone to take to the skies. One of its most impressive aspects is the high-definition 1080p camera, which allows users to capture stunning aerial footage and photographs with ease. This camera is equipped with a 120-degree wide-angle lens, providing a broader field of view and ensuring that no detail is missed during your flights. In terms of performance, the HS900 boasts a stable flight experience thanks to its advanced GPS-assisted positioning system. This feature not only enhances stability, but also enables functionalities such as one-key takeoff and landing, which simplifies the flying process for beginners. Additionally, the drone has a generous flight time of around 15-20 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended exploration without the constant need to recharge. The Holy Stone HS900 also incorporates intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Gesture Control, which make flying more interactive and enjoyable. The Follow Me mode is particularly useful for capturing dynamic shots as the drone automatically tracks the user, while the Waypoint Flight feature allows users to set specific locations for the drone to navigate, providing a truly hands-free experience. Safety is a priority with the HS900 as it comes equipped with features like low battery protection and emergency stop functions to prevent crashes and mishaps. Number 3. XPRO Limitless 5, a remarkable addition to the realm of high-performance devices, pushing the boundaries of what users can expect from a versatile tool. It combines cutting-edge technology with innovative design to deliver an experience that is truly top-notch. With its sleek and robust build, the XPRO Limitless 5 is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. Equipped with an advanced processor, it ensures smooth operation and lightning-fast performance, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding applications. One of the standout features of the XPRO Limitless 5 is its impressive battery life, enabling users to stay connected and productive throughout the day without the constant need for recharging. Whether you are streaming, playing games, or working on important projects, this device has the stamina to keep up with your lifestyle. Furthermore, the XPRO Limitless 5 boasts a stunning display that brings content to life with vibrant colors and sharp detail. This makes it perfect for everything from watching videos to browsing the internet or editing photos. The device also incorporates advanced connectivity options, ensuring seamless integration with other devices and access to the latest technologies. In addition to its hardware capabilities, the XPRO Limitless 5 features an intuitive user interface that enhances the overall user experience. It provides easy navigation and access to a wealth of applications and tools, catering to various needs and preferences. Number 2. DJI Flip, a remarkable addition to the world of consumer drones, designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience to new heights. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this drone seamlessly combines user-friendly features with professional-grade capabilities. One of the standout features of the DJI Flip drone is its innovative rotating camera system, which allows users to easily switch between different shooting angles. This flexibility is ideal for capturing stunning landscapes, dynamic action shots, or creative perspectives that traditional drones might struggle to achieve. The camera is equipped with high-resolution sensors, enabling users to capture breathtaking 4K video and ultra-clear still images, ensuring that every moment is preserved in vivid detail. Additionally, the DJI Flip drone boasts impressive flight performance, including extended battery life and enhanced stability. With its advanced GPS and obstacle avoidance systems, pilots can enjoy a smooth flying experience, even in challenging environments. The drone's intuitive controls and smart flight modes make it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced options for experienced users looking to push their creative boundaries. Moreover, the DJI Flip drone is designed for versatility. Whether you're shooting a family gathering, a breathtaking outdoor adventure, or simply exploring your surroundings, this drone adapts to your needs. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport, allowing you to take it anywhere your creativity leads you. In summary, the DJI Flip drone stands out in the crowded drone market with its innovative features, exceptional image quality, and user-friendly design. Number 1. DJI Air 3S represents a significant leap forward in aerial photography and videography, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. With its sleek and compact design, the Air 3S is easy to transport, making it an ideal companion for both amateur enthusiasts and professional filmmakers alike. Equipped with a powerful camera that boasts a larger sensor, the Air 3S is capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel stills and 5.4K video at up to 60 frames per second. This means you can achieve crystal clear images with incredible detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. The larger sensor also enhances low-light performance, allowing for vibrant colors and sharp images during twilight or dawn. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. With multiple sensors on all sides, the drone can intelligently navigate around obstacles, providing peace of mind while flying. This feature, combined with smart flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoints, allows users to capture dynamic shots effortlessly, making it easier than ever to create professional quality footage. Battery life is another area where the Air 3S excels. With an impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes per charge, users can enjoy extended flying sessions without the constant worry of returning to land for a battery swap. The drone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly get back in the air.